Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate document signing with DocuSign, full guide step by step clearly. To automate document signing with DocuSign, start by creating a DocuSign account. Visit the DocuSign website and click on the Sign Up button. Fill in the necessary information, including your name, email address, and password. Once registered, log into your DocuSign account. Navigate to the Templates section in the main dashboard. Click on the New button and select Create Template. Name your template and add a description to help identify it later. Upload the document you want to use for signing. Drag and drop the appropriate fields onto the document, such as signature, date, and text fields. Configure the settings for each field, specifying who is required to sign and in what order. You can also set reminders and deadlines for signing. After customizing your template, save it for future use. To send a document for signing, go back to the dashboard and click on Send New. Select Use Template and choose the template you just created. Add the email addresses of the recipients who need to sign. Check the signing order to ensure everything is in the correct sequence. Once you've input all necessary details, click Send. You'll receive notifications as recipients review and sign the document. After all parties have signed, the completed document will be stored in your account. You can download or share the signed document directly from DocuSign. For advanced automation, explore integrations with other applications, like Salesforce or Microsoft Teams. DocuSign also offers an API for custom solutions if needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.